Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are looking to smooth out your ride a little bit while you're on the trail, you might want to check out a dropper post. I want to show you this one from PNW Components. This is the Loam dropper post and this thing is awesome. So this is an adjustable dropper post, meaning you can control the air pressure of how quickly the post will go up and down. And this is such a nice thing to have on the trail, especially if you're going over any jumps or very rocky terrain or a steep decline. You can get that seat out of your way so you have a lot more control. It's going to help you to maintain your center of balance, it's going to help you keep your speed, and it's just going to make it a lot more comfortable to not have a seat really high up when you're landing a jump. So we have been super happy with this dropper post from PNW. It has definitely exceeded expectations. It's easy to use, it adds nice control, and it really just adds to the comfort of our ride. So we would definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.